Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create more of like a rounded ball gown on Dress to Impress. So what I like to do for princess dresses, it's gonna look weird when you walk, but when you pose it's fine. Select this skirt and you're just going to layer like a color underneath, for instance this blue one. Then you're going to select this the skirt, sorry, and you're going to place that above, and you can even like change the colors to your liking. But as you can see, it creates more of like a rounded ball gown. Just going to add this on. Oops. And that is it pretty much. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.